Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Standing at the western edge of the World War II Memorial, you're positioned at the literal and symbolic hinge of the National Mall. The placement of this memorial was one of the most debated architectural decisions in the history of Washington D.C. By situating it here at the base of the Washington Monuments Hill and the head of the reflecting pool, designers were making a profound statement. The victory of the greatest generation was the essential bridge between the founding of the country and its ultimate preservation. To ensure this new addition didn't sever the famous line of sight between Washington and Lincoln, the entire plaza was sunken into the earth. It is a masterpiece of respectful engineering, honoring a global conflict without obstructing the historic vista that defines the American capital. As we leave the granite pillars of the memorial behind, we step onto the broad gravel paths that line the Lincoln Memorial reflecting pool. This is arguably the most photographed stretch of water in the world. A 2,000-foot-long mirror that anchors the symbolic core of the United States. Inspired by the Grand Canals of Versailles and the Taj Mahal, the pool was a centerpiece of 1901 Macmillan Plan, which sought to transform the mall from a cluttered landscape into a world-class ceremonial space. Completed in 1923, it was designed to do more than just look beautiful. It was built to provide a sense of infinite scale, making the half-mile walk between the monuments feel like a journey through time itself. The pool is a marvel of optical illusion. Though it appears to be a perfectly flat sheet of glass, it is actually slightly shallower at the ends than in the middle to maintain the illusion of depth. Its primary function is to capture and hold the reflections of the two giants that bookend it. On a calm day, the Washington Monument is perfectly doubled in its surface to the east, while the Parthenon-like structure of the Lincoln Memorial looms in the water to the west. This creates a double monument effect, pulling the sky down to the earth and forcing the viewer to slow their pace. You don't just walk past the pool, you walk with it, hushed by the stillness of the water in the center of the bustling city. But the reflecting pool is more than an aesthetic triumph. It is the nation's most prominent stage for the struggle of civil rights and social justice. Because of its vast capacity, it has hosted the most significant gatherings in American history. It was here in 1963 that 250,000 people stood shoulder to shoulder during the March on Washington. The image of the pool surrounded by civilians listening to Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. transformed this water from a landscape feature into a symbol of the people's house. Walking this path today, you're walking in the footsteps of history. The sound of your footsteps on the gravel and the gentle ripple of water create a rhythm of contemplation. As the Lincoln Memorial grows larger in your field of vision, the reflection pool serves as a final approach, a long quiet corridor of light that prepares you for the monumental presence of the seat at Lincoln. It is a place where the grandeur of the architecture meets the living breath of democracy, reflecting not just the stone monument, but the evolutionary story of the nation itself.
ఆయన ఫీల్ అవుతాడు మనకి లేదు.
¿Dónde fuiste? A Dubái, en Dubái está el oro, pues, ¿no?
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.